Welcome to our lesson about copying a sketch. Here I've got sketch 2 in the design tree. It's a 36 by 15 millimeter rectangle. It's positioned 15 millimeters from this edge and 36 millimeters from this edge. Now when I select the sketch, I'm going to go to Edit on the main menu, scroll down to Copy. And let's select this face. Back to the Edit menu and scroll down to Paste. SOLIDWORKS positions the sketch in the place where I selected the face. If I select here and do the same, paste, my sketch will appear over here instead. Now we can simply right-click on the sketch and select Edit Sketch. We can reposition it, for example, with a window select, OK. All right, let's suppress this sketch and suppress this sketch as well. Another way to copy a sketch is to press down the Control key, grab the sketch, and drag and drop. And let's suppress sketch 5 as well. Right-click, suppress. You have the ability to copy the entire feature as well. Hold down the Control key, grab the feature, and let's drop it here. SOLIDWORKS asks us what to do with the external references, keep or leave dangling. I'm going to leave them hanging. And let's continue to ignore the error. And click Close here. Let's right-click and edit the sketch. Here we've got two problem dimensions. Simply select the dimension. Once it's selected, you'll see this red square here. Just grab it and attach it to the edge. Same thing here. Let's select, grab the red square, and attach to the edge. Now we're ready to exit the sketch, and everything looks fine. Let's right-click and suppress. I can also select my features. Go to Edit, Copy. Select the face where I want to paste it, back to Edit, and scroll to Paste. Once again, we see the same dialog window. Click Dangle, Continue, and Close. Now right-click and edit the sketch, and let's reattach the dimensions. And let's exit the sketch. And this concludes our lesson about copying a sketch.